Hello guys.
Welcome to Alxmo. Today we are going to learn how to turn your Android phone like iOS phone. Now let's go into the video. Open your Play Store or Aurora Store. Search iOS Launcher. Install it. Open it. Allow everything. If you want other services also, you can download these apps. Now click Change icon. Click OK. Change to iOS Launcher. Now you can see it looks like iOS. If you want to change back, click Change icon. Click Huawei Home. And now it looks as before. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please subscribe and like this video.